All right, guys, we got a 2021 Dodge Charger HEMI 5.7 HEMI, baby. 2021. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, 2.5-inch pipe into a 2.5-inch factory X pipe. We did a mid delete, as you guys can see there and there. Left the valves on it there and there. Then did a rear delete also, there and there. And went with some nice 5-inch rolled black tips out the back. There'll be a link in the description for them also. As you guys can see there and there. There she is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And there's the rears that were on it, and there's the mids that were on it that we cut off. This is what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Much better? What do you think?
Yeah, that's good.
Give it gas? Let's see its reaction. Exactly. Much better. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Much better. Go ahead and back it out. That's perfect. Every time. Never disappoint. They always sound so good. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Dodge Charger HEMI 5.7. Got a sexy Impala. Dodge Charger, even sexier. They're both good, actually. Just straight piped it with 5-inch tips. And this one's got vibrance in the middle, MagnaFlows in the back. Let you guys hear it drive off on that. Another satisfied customer. There you go.